welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Noveline. Now I want to show you um, how to cook chicken with Nepali style. So I have already the ingredients like tomato, onion, and I put already the garlic, of course, the chicken, the salt, and some they are calling like masalas, like the powders, some spices they're putting. So I am cooking. There is tile. After the garlic cook golden brown, so I need to put now the onion, including the chili. They eat a lot of chili, but now we are not cooking so much because I know we will get it. I cannot eat too much spice, so they're putting little onion. What they're doing is they put little chili, then while eating they are biting the chili. Guys, once it was already brownish, also the onion, I have to put now the chicken. So I'll put the chicken. Actually, I didn't get the tomato better. What for us in the Filipino, after onion, we are putting already the tomato. But here, in the end, we are putting. So I put already this chicken. Then I need to cook little, frying. Then after I will put the salt and the turmeric. Once you put the chicken, I need to put that. For me, I will put real little salt. To make that chicken tasty. But don't put so much, put it later when you are about to finish, so that you know the taste. I tried already how many times to cook the chicken, but the thing is, now only I share to you how to cook, what is the recipe, how to cook their style. After a little brown, I will put the turmeric. I'll show to you the turmeric. This is the turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is the ginger. Yeah, you're calling turmeric. I will put that one here later once this chicken will be little brownish. They want me to cook chicken because they love my chicken. One of my brother here, like not brother, real brother, like colleagues, they teach me how to cook chicken in their style. Because I am eating already their food, so better I will learn their food, then I will cook for them also. Not only they are the one cooking. So have you seen it's already really brownish? Then I put little turmeric they said if I put turmeric only little amount, because this turmeric powder is very strong. They are putting. So now I put it small only. You will see the color after. So if I put, when I put the turmeric, it's coming yellowish, brownish or yellowish, because this color is brown, yellow, I mean brown, I think, or yellow, I don't know. So the color will be like this. After it will be cooked with turmeric, and I put little salt before, so if this one will be cooked, you know, if it's cooked already, the chicken. So what I'm doing is I need to put some masalas, spices, Indian spices, like their powders, like putting this coriander powder, cumin powder, I think so, garam masala. I will put that one in the chicken. That is their spices. So let me cook first. But while we are cooking chicken, guys, we are not including the skin, because you know, the skin of the chicken is too fat. So we are removing the skin of the chicken. Nothing. We are removing the skin of the chicken, so that not too much oily, because oily makes more pimples. I have already many pimples, so I need not to eat too oily, right? You feel that is already cooked, the chicken, I can cook. I put now the tomato. After the tomato will be half cooked, then I can put now all these masalas, this coriander, Indian spices. You see now the tomato half cooked already, so I can put now the masalas. These masalas, coriander powder, but I'm not putting too much. It depends on you how many quantity you are putting. So I'm putting already this. So guys, as you can see, this is the outcome. This is the chicken. I put, once the tomato all cooked, I put everything. Also, I include chili powder. Only I put little. So it is like this. So this is now the time that you need to taste if good, or if the taste is salty or anything, or no salt. So you need to add salt to make the taste more nice, yummy. So this is how I cook their Nepali style food, their food, chicken.